We're back to school, whether I'm ready or not. Summer break passed in a haze, and I feel so behind in everything. But now it's time to get back to a routine, one thing at a time. Today, I'm making homemade chicken nuggets to make a freezer stash for easy school lunches. I'm packing the chicken nuggets I prepped a few days ago. Baby corn is one of Munchkin's favorite foods. I'm cooking baby corn with a bit of butter and salt. This tastes like popcorn.
Your alarm clock is going off now. Bye.
Now let's see if I can make a ballet bun.